So you'll notice we've got a new addition in our driveway, and this is a project that John is taking on so that he can move his boat in and out the water when he pleases, and it was his aim to buy a boat trailer. Now this is a project and he got it very cheap on the island, but it needs a lot of work. And he has towed this from a different part of the island on 2 wheels, on 1 axle, even though it has 2 axles, because the other wheels are totally unfit for road use. And the more I look at it, the more I'm horrified, but I have faith, because John and his dad used to run a trailer building business. They actually designed and fabricated and serviced trailers. He is a man of many talents, which is why, of course, I married him. But we obviously won't be covering the resurrection of this trailer in this video, but I just wanted to show you this because this is a future project for anyone who wants to know what they can do if their trailer is in need of resuscitation.
Out here in my yard today, I've got a trailer now for my boat. It will fit my boat, it's the right size and it takes the right weight. It's just been, it's one of these trailers that's been lying for a long time, as you can imagine. I first got it, I picked it up this morning, the brakes are all seized on it. I had to go and try and free the brakes off just to get it here. So it's here now, so it's going to get jacked up now. And we've got a hub off the back, we've got a hub off, we've got the shoes off, the brake shoes are in there. The brake shoes are quite good in it, so they'll get cleaned and put back on this one anyway. We'll check the rest of them and see what they need done. But it has to get new tyres and new wheels now, and everything else we just need to check. So bearings, will get new bearings.
Right, so a new tyre and a new wheel.
And new wheel.
And a new hub?
Tyre. No, not the hub. The hub's okay.
Hub's okay.
It's just a wheel and tyre.
And new bearings.
And new bearings for all round. And
for every wheel?
Every wheel.
And new tyres for every wheel?
New tyres for every wheel.
Okay. It is a mess, but I know you can fix this because I know you have
and
the brain.
These rollers as well, which I've got off now. They just need replaced now. They're on here. There's 8 of them. Oh, there's 12 of them. There's 6 on each side.
And that is basically what the boat kind of sits and moves on.
The keel will sit along the keel rollers, which are fine.
Keel rollers, that's these ones here.
And these ones will adjust up now to stop the boat tilting when it's sitting on the keel.
Okay.
So these have got telescopic adjustments on them, which you can see, so we can lift them up or down or whatever we need to do.
Okay, so, and what else have you looked at?
Need rollers. We obviously need a light bar sorted out the back, so we're taking the old bit of wood off that had a light bar on it, or had lights on it. So that will come off and we'll be doing something similar to that.
Which is a necessity if you're actually towing on a public road.
The reason for this trailer is it's going to be a brake trailer and it can tow my boat legally. Legally my boat's only 20 foot. I'm allowed to tow up to 21 foot. So my boat will fit on there and I can tow it.
Okay.
So we're just going through the bits and pieces to see what we need.
To make the big shopping list,
well, it'll be a big
which we can't really afford right now.
But at least I know what the list will be.
Okay, right, well I'll leave you to crack on. I'm going to go and make an apple crumble. So we've moved this trailer round here so we can work on it. And John has done quite a bit. And he's having a welding day today, but before he starts all that, I just want to tell you what he's done with this trailer so far.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my lovely boat trailer. So the first thing we did with this trailer was take all the brake shoes off it, and the wheels off, the hubs off. It's got new bearings going in it, so there's all new bearings going in the hubs. We're getting them all greased up. There's new brake shoes to go on. There's new brake cables to go on. Then we'll get them all a little paint up and watch the progress.
Right. So you're welding this morning.
Aye.
What are you
This
welding?
morning was a bit on the back plates.
Which is the back plate?
Here, this back plate.
Okay.
So a couple of little bits welded on the back plates. Nothing spectacular, just a little hole, but we'll fill it in.
The thing is, people won't know. I
they
know,
won't see
but you used to build trailers with your dad
I did.
as a business.
Yeah.
So when you refurbish a trailer, you know exactly what you're looking at, because it's not got to just look right, it's got to be road safe. Would you be Rocky Robin?
It's my wee helper.
Is he keeping you company?
Aye. Come down to see what I'm doing.
Anyway, so all four wheels
We'll get replaced now.
will be replaced.
New
And
rims
that's,
and tyres. That's the old ones, so can't put them back on.
can't put those back on, they're a mess.
they're a bit.
And they're not safe anyway.
No.
So this trailer is how long?
It's 23 foot.
23 foot.
I think a 21 foot boat.
For a 21 foot boat.
It's as big as you can tow on the road, basically.
So
21
legally,
foot, yeah.
in the UK, that is
7
what you
metres.
can tow on the road. Right.
Oh, just a wee bit of refurb to do and then we're good to go.
Alright, so everyone can see your welding set.
One in my welding set.
And what are you welding?
So today's job, spare wheel carrier, is corroded at the ends. There's not been a hole in it, they've just gathered water in them, so they've just rotted out.
Okay.
So we'll cut these back and we'll put a new piece in there.
Okay.
And that'll get this cleaned up.
Right, so this is
An arc welder.
an arc welder. And guys, if you're going to do any welding, John has done years of welding. He used to be a welding instructor at Duchy College down in Cornwall. Please protect your eyes. You only get to. Now, John's been a welder fabricator for what, over 40
Put
years?
your glasses on.
Yeah, so
Don't do it.
you've
Get your
had,
safety glasses, you only get 2 eyes.
right, you've had issues with your
I've
eyes.
had all the bits that you could imagine going in your eyes, even with safety glasses on. When the guy, first time you go to the hospital and he just said, oh, you don't wear safety glasses. Well, I do wear safety glasses. It hit under here and went underneath the glass. It's just one of the things that happen.
Right.
You just got to be careful. So be careful and be safe. Glasses, do not weld without a mask. I mean, I've had one guy actually welding without a mask, and then phoned the ambulance to come and get him because he couldn't see. We couldn't see because he'd been welding. Not a good idea.
And the other things that we've heard of, people using opaque plastic sweetie wrappers.
Sweet wrappers and all the rest of it, and they're trying to weld with sweet wrap. Don't do it. Or hold the glass shield. Don't just get yourself a shield. I've got an automatic helmet. I prefer this one because it's easy for me to look at what I'm doing, do it. But I've got an automatic helmet. You just feel claustrophobic in it, and you weld all day. I used to weld for 8 hours with a helmet or a visor on. I mean, from 7 o'clock right up to 4 o'clock welding.
Right, so you're going to do this bit now.
Right, we're going to cut these off. Well, cut bits of them off.
And we have lots of bits on order that we're waiting for. And the issue with being on an island, one of the issues with being on an island is they charge you more to deliver on an island. So you're going to be paying a visit to your lovely sister who lives in the mainland.
She's got all the bits for this trailer. She's got all the new brake shoes, all the new brake cables, the tow hitch, new dampers going inside there, and new brakes on the whole trailer.
Okay.
The trailer will be a brake trailer, as you're required by law. Anything over 750 kilograms needs to have brakes on it. So if I put a 2-ton boat on it, I need to have brakes. So it will have brakes.
Right, well, I know you're going to weld and I don't want my eyes flashed, so
I'm going to cut.
I'm going to leave you with it.
Great. do that. Anyway, we'll just get the wings a little rubbed down. They were painted blue, but I've got a grey, so I'm going to paint them grey. I'll give them a little sand, bit of emery paper. We're just brushing the dust off now. Then we'll get them a wee paint. That'll be another bit done. They're galvanised anyway, so they're not going to really rust. Here we are.
So painting is going on.
We're just doing all the back plates now, and then we'll get the actual units done. We'll get them hammerited. It'll just keep the weather off them. A typical boat trailer, you know, sitting out of salt water. But if you can protect it, you may as well get a coat on it and protect it. So that's where
Doing
they
a
are.
lovely job.
They're all done, the backs and the fronts, and that's the best you can do, you know.
And you've done this bit.
That'll get silver, and that'll all get hammerited. It's a galvanised trailer, but it's going to get hammerited.
Thank goodness for a dry day.
Well, it is dry, it's lovely. That's right. Hi guys, well, some of the parts have arrived now. If we put this drawbar all together, it's got a new hydraulic damper put inside, because the other one was knackered, which is lying somewhere. But it's got a new one in it now, just for the push out and in. New bellows as well, so we'll get new bellows put on it now, and then we'll get it bolted on the trailer. I mean, new bolts.
New bolts.
And then we'll get handbrakes and stuff on, and we'll get the brake shoes in, and we'll get the new brake cables which are here. So this is all the new brake cables, and the brake ends are wandering around. So it can all get put back together again.
So you get a busy day?
Just a little bit. And then boat tomorrow, out the water, to get.
So John's just painting the whole trailer with some hammerite. So you know he's painted a bit before, but I'm assuming this is the final coat. And I've got to say, it's beginning to look like a proper trailer now. But we're not done yet. So we're back on the island after a couple of days away. Parts have been delivered, bits are assembled, and John is bolting on the refurbished handbrake.
Well, handbrake and tow hitch.
Handbrake and tow hitch.
It's got a new damper in here, because the other one would just slap back and forward.
Okay.
There's a new 3-ton damper inside it. A new handbrake, which needs connected up to the rod, which is along here.
That's the road
I
there.
need another metre of rod to get to the hitch,
Oh, okay.
and then that'll travel all the way along there. That pulls the brakes here by the adjuster that's in here, and I can adjust each brake to suit whatever.
And these are all new. I can see these are all new.
Cables, and new brake shoes will be going on. They're not on yet, but they're in there. So all new brake shoes, new bearings, new wheels and tyres, and we're good to go.
Well, we've done this in stages because it's a big ask to repair this. I know we got this trailer very, very cheap, but if you want something to be roadworthy and you want it to be right, you have to spend. And these wheels and tyres are no good. So that'll be probably next week's little spend. So we've got probably another week or so. Oh.
Something's not right somewhere. Needs a knockout.
Okay.
So shoes on, then hubs on, new bearings. This is the new bearings. The new bearings for the hubs, complete with seals. So back rear bearing with a seal obviously going there. So make sure you grease them all before you put them in. Nice grease. Try and get a waterproof grease if it's a boat trailer. That's what we're doing. Hit the motor. Well, hi guys, we're back on a boat trailer today again. As you know, I've refurbished the hydraulic damper inside here. There's a new hydraulic damper in here. It's got to get greased yet, I've still got to do that. So as this coupling breaks, as the trailer breaks, it pushes against the damper, which slows the restriction of it. That in turn pulls the rod which goes to the new brake cables. Okay, so that gives you brakes while you're moving. Handbrake's got to work independent of that, so it's got a lever down here and it works independent of this coupling.
And that's a brand new one you put
it's
on?
A brand new handbrake on it, and it's just an alteration on it so that we can put a brake on. That's the brake on. Also on the handbrake is a breakaway cable. That goes on your vehicle.
And you need that by law?
Not round the toe ball like that. It's got to clip onto an eye or a hole. You can't just flip it round like that. That doesn't work. And that's in case the trailer jumps off. That will in turn will pull the handbrake on as it pulls. So that will stop it dead in its tracks if the trailer comes off the vehicle.
So
I've also put a jockey wheel on now, which was in the shed. So the bits is all on now. Winch post is just a bit. It's got to get tightened in now. Put new bolts in it, and we're going to put it about there. That's given me 22 foot. My boat's only 20 foot, so it'll be fine.
So the last things that we've got to order
is wheels and tyres and rollers to go into here. I've got 6 stays that come out of here, one in each bit. So there's 6 of them in there. There's posts, and I've got mounts for rollers on it. It takes 2 dumbbell rollers each. So you'll see it when it's all done. I've got to order them. There's £52 for new rollers, and we'll order the wheels and tyres at the same time, and that's the trailer finished in. It's ready for a boat. Might not be my boat, but it's ready for a boat. Hi guys, John here again at my trailer. We're making up a little box section, 2 pieces of angle. Ryan's going to video it. If you want to shut your eyes when you watch it, don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Just tacking it just now. We check it's on the right place. Then we'll weld it up. But at the moment, we're just tacking it in.
So, at last, tyres for the trailer and
rollers.
Woohoo! The longest project in the world was finally coming to an end.
Back to my trailer adventure. Got new rollers on it now. So we're just putting a little galvanised spray on the nuts. They've been all nutted and welded, so they're not moving. These have got split pins in them. So these are just the steadies to get adjusted, stop the boat tilting.
So we're nearly there.
So trailer's just about there. Just got 4 wheels to go on.
Which we have in the shed.
That is it, totally refurbished.
Woohoo! Thank God, it's the longest project in the world. But it's not really been our fault. There's been issues with the weather, and of course we've been selling the house, and this has been a little project for John as and when we had the money to do it. So in all, it's taken about, what, couple of months, 4 months, something like that.
Aye, but it wasn't a time thing, it just needed done.
But we can see the light at the end of the tunnel now. So, next thing is wheels.
Wheels on tomorrow. Hi guys, back at the boat trailer today again. Side rollers are all on now. The missing keel rollers are all on. Everything's all been renewed. Wheels are on, new wheels and tyres. So new brakes, new bearings, new brake shoes, new brake cables. Everything's been done to it. There's been a new damper put in the front as well. So it's basically a refurbished trailer. That's it, ready to go now. I'll get my boat on it now.